So we just got our favorite breakfast spot here in San Jose, which is an empanada. And they're kind of special because it's not just a regular empanada, but it's a Peruvian empanada, so they make it a little bit different, and they're super fire. So we just got one right there, and of course we got ourselves some coffee, and we're ready to hit Madera. Alright, so Google Maps says 2 hours and 10 minutes, and we are in San Jose right now, and we need to cross to go inland, kinda in between Fresno and Merced. So let's go ahead and start the drive. Alright, so as you guys can see, that's the main entrance right there. There's a little bit of traffic, but we'll get in there. We got to pay our dues first, and then we can go ahead and get in there, find a good spot where we can go ahead and set up our tent and get ready for the night. Thank you very much.
Oh, I want to go in, I want to do this.
They don't know what they want to do.
Oh, okay.
Take care.
But it's like, it's fucking hell fun. No, it's not gonna worth it. Make it worth it more. We're worth it. Sounds still. Yeah.
Our space.
Things we have to do is set up the tent. All right, we made it to Madera, and now we're all set up. There's my BMW, there's Amanda, a canopy to block us from the sun, and we got our tent. Of course, we got some beers, got the barbecue, and the stove. So now that we got everything set up, we finally get to walk around before we have some dinner. And let me tell you, there's a bunch of things that you guys need to watch here. There's from buses, things, bugs, anything you can think of BW is here. So let me go ahead and show you guys around a little bit more. Me and Amanda are having a great time. The weather's a little bit hot, but I don't mind it at all. So let's get to walking. Get him, get him! I want to give you guys an update. So we just walked around the whole show. I saw some people that we met last year, so that's really nice. And now we're just walking to Mountain Mike's Pizza. Every year they have a show there and they play a movie, so hopefully we're not too late. But let's get to the pizzeria.
So you got to mark it when you take it off, pull it back together wrong. You know, put the screenshot at a different angle. And I have to do the box of this thing.
There's a drone.
Is it so safe on you? Oh crap. I don't know what my condition is because I haven't drove mine yet, so I have no idea. I bought a brand new one. It's just in this box in the garage. You guys take pictures of BWs. They're not gonna recognize me. No, but you put a shirt on, so they can't have BWs. You know what I mean?
They want to go to Cook. You are not voting
PJ.
Sing this?
Stevie Nicks.
Be voted upon and when we security plaques and maybe be featured in IPW's at least an article.
Hello.
So I hope you guys had a lot of fun. It's just the first day. I'll be back tomorrow with another video. And let me tell you, that little car show at Mountain Mike's, it's just kind of a warm up for what to expect tomorrow. Tomorrow's show is going to be a lot crazier. Everybody gets to park on the grass, which is a plus. And now we're just going to go ahead and cook some tacos, and we're just going to enjoy the sunset. Taco night. We just cooked dinner. Cheers. Got some tacos going, and I think that's gonna be for the night. Catch you guys tomorrow.